Good morning from Erbil, which is in the northern part of Iraq. It's a sad day for me. It's my final day here in Iraq. I've had 12 or 13 wonderful days and I met so many wonderful people. Take a quick look at my view from this hotel room. I'm staying at the Quartz Hotel. So I've packed my bags. My flight to Lebanon is not until 6 o'clock tonight. So I'm going to go down to the market and exchange some money into US money so I have cash in my pocket. And I'm also going to look for some little souvenirs for my family. So if you want to follow me on an adventure to the bazaar and marketplace, then do so. And after this, I'm heading to Lebanon. So if you've ever wanted to know what Lebanon or Syria looks like, follow me, subscribe to me. I'm going to conquer the Middle East. That's it. Let me get out there, get my sweater on first, it's cold, get out there and shop. Let's go. So not unlike Canada, there's a simple game. Hold on as long as you can. See if you can break the record and win a prize. Let's check it out. This is where the men can act like men.
Point
4 minutes.
Yes.
Wow. How long did he last? What would he have won if he stayed 4.5 minutes?
اگر 4 دقیقه ما چه بردوا؟
آیفون 13
iPhone 13 iPhone 13
Wow.
والله سر بو بقرعان
Look at his hands.
Sardadai?
ها
Sardadai?
نتلوبنا والله سر بو نمزان لي رقم زي ما بلا ماريون ده كردات
What did he say? Tell me.
He said if I would know it's like this at home I would train and then I would come here.
They made this contest impossible. That's why they're giving away an iPhone. 4.5 minutes?
Yeah.
No. So here are the prizes. If you can be manly enough to hold on to that bar long enough, this is what you could win. We can use this opportunity to teach the people watching this video 3 new words. Are you ready?
Yes.
Habibi.
Like my love, but I mean we use it also for dealing and daily speech between men and
So if it's 2
like,
men, I can say Habibi.
Yeah,
Me and you.
they
But
can-
I don't love you. But I like you.
Yeah, exactly. It's like this, like yeah. But I mean, it's I don't know culturally, like it's culturally here is okay, but maybe in the other countries, in Western countries,
To say
to
that,
tell
right.
to a man my love, it's like
Something different.
It's like disaster.
Right. And what about like, hey, let's go.
Yalla,
Yalla.
yalla. Let's go. It's like let's go. Yalla, yalla. Move, like yeah, something like that.
And last but not least, thank you.
Thank you. Shukran.
There you go. That's your 3 daily words for today.
That's Arabic words.
Yes. My son has a Mercedes Benz.
So with this,
It's official. How much is this?
it's India. This 20,000.
Woo! That's expensive. Here, I picked up 3 for my children, for my boys. They like rings. I'm not into rings, but there you go. Got like a beast, a lion, maybe a wolf, maybe a bear. I don't know. Is this because he falls a lot? Does he put this on because he falls down a lot? It's fashionable.
He says, I fall sometimes, but it's not for that. It's just for beauty. Like
For beauty, it is beautiful.
Yeah.
What is this here? Oh, music.
Music.
Got stickers everywhere. You got, look at these eyes. His wife? She's watching you. Beautiful. Thank you, my friend. Shukran.
5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000.
Why are these so expensive?
This 100 dinar. This 100 dinar. This 100 dinar.
كم بازاري؟
أوانا بهزاريا.
this is a Iraqi dinar, but it's 50 dinar. It's worth nothing.
None of them are worth anything, right? You
yeah,
can't spend this. No.
No.
So, what's the rarest piece that he has here? The most expensive piece?
داري كامة بارسل لحرها موي بارسل شي دقمنو عزيبة هيدا هاد بيتن جرام بيتن مثلا.
$150 زال مصد السيبون.
It's silver and it belongs to 1932 and this is real. باري عراقي ونيا؟
باري عراقي.
Iraqi real.
What is the price?
$150.
US dollars, right?
Yeah, US dollars.
أوصل دولار عبد الكريم قاسمة.
This is Abdul Karim Qasim,
Awish
the one who
king
did
Iraqi.
coup against the kingdom in 1958.
Yes.
So that's his money. So yeah.
وصيتك كاملة بابلون.
But send it
$150.
How much is this?
$50. US dollars.
بس بابلون كاملة هم خاوينن.
Full set.
The very unique items. Look at this.
مصر.
What is this?
مصر.
Egypt. Oh, it's beautiful. How much is this?
دهزار.
10,000.
أو أنا دهزار أو أنا إسبانيا أو فيكتوريا أو أنا ميتي أو أنا.
All of the large ones are the same price?
Yes, he said all is 10,000.
Well, I spent time with him. He answered my question, so I got to buy something.
مش قسطنطينية قديمة.
No.
What is this?
قسطنطيني.
Constantine is where?
From Turkey?
Yeah, yes, Constantine is
The old Turkey.
I'm gonna make a temporary tattoo on my arm.
Oh yeah? Your hand. You got to be more vicious than that.
No, I only show it to the people that I want. I don't want to see everyone see it.
Oh, pick like a gun.
Gun? No gun, no.
What would you pick
A razor.
if you were getting a temporary tattoo?
Razor.
A razor. There's the gun. The gun right here.
The gun right here.
People are gonna take you more seriously. 5,000 for a small one.
Yeah.
What about a bigger one?
دورة كام سنة؟
دورة كانوا 12,000 و 10,000.
The biggest one is 12,000. For the first time in my life, I get a tattoo, but a temporary one.
King of tourism in this part of Iraq.
In the whole Iran.
Yeah, this is my gift. I'm paying for it. It's my gift.
Thank you,
My
man.
gift. How much was it? 5,000. There's 5.
This one.
Shukran. I'll be honest. I'd be more impressed if you would have got the big gun across the neck, but
Yeah, maybe next time. Maybe next time. Now it's early for me. To start with the king and end with the.
yes, you start small and you get bigger and bigger. That's how tattoos work. Now, I thought that last gentleman was the only one that had a bike like this, but it seems like this is a current fashionable trend in this part of the world. Because look, I found the twin. Same eyes, same Bluetooth setup, same. There's still a lot going on this bike. Reminds me like when my children were small and they got stickers, they would just put them everywhere. You know, on the windows of the cars, on their walls, by the bed. So explain to me, this is the money market.
The money market
What happened?
changed. Like it's today's Friday. It's closed actually. At the
No, but I mean these gentlemen, are they selling the local currency at a better rate? Or why would people come here opposed to come to a bank?
They exchange money if they want to go to another country or they want like dollar or any other money or they have dollar to want to sell. They come to this place to change it. It's like a borsa, we call it. It's like a main central place for exchanging money.
But that's my question. Is the rate better here on the street than going to a bank?
In the banks they don't do it. Like rates here is better. Like
Okay.
it's kunafa actually.
And this one?
Our halwa. This halwa.
Which one is the better seller?
There كم زورت دفروشي. كم زورت this one.
Okay, how much is one?
But tell you has 1,000. One piece 1,000.
Okay, let's give this a shot. This is a dessert? Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. It's called kunafa.
Say the name one more time.
Kunafa.
Kunafa.
Yeah.
I think it would taste better if it was warm, but it tastes good. What's the best seller? What do people come here to buy?
The Kharbashi
The gun.
gun.
Which gun? The sniper.
All different ones.
So the kids that come here, that's what they like. What about the girls?
For the girls, the kitchen stuff.
I'm from Canada. How much does this cost?
Oh, what's India? 7,000 Iraqi dinar. It's almost like $4.
Yeah. And it, what, it shoots these things here, these little yellow, and both. Look, you could be a ninja. You can be in the army military, and you can call backup. This is it. Backup, we need backup.
Also in your country, children they like guns?
Yes, for sure. Yes.
PlayStation. This is because of the PlayStation.
Yeah,
and YouTube
video games.
nowadays,
No,
people are-
when I was a kid, the same, you have guns. I think when you're a child, you want to be in the military. Even the little toys that you play with are military. It might be different now. I'm an old man. I don't know.
These ones are coming from Europe or maybe from Canada or from US. So it's used there. So then they collect them from the houses and things, and then they bring it here. They sell it
In the market.
In a very affordable price. Some of them it's not used much, so it's good. So he said it's from sheep. I said, what's good for? He said like for seating, for
And how much
for
is
car,
that?
for what's that? 20,000 Iraqi dinar.
20,000.
Iraqi dinar.
Very, very inexpensive. Thank you. Shukran.
That's good.
Tell me a little bit more about the Citadel.
The citadel is 7,000 years old.
He said 7,000 years old.
Yes, all the way, all the civilization has been in here, like Sumerian, Babylonian, I don't know, like all others one after each other. Already like 15 years ago, government announced the project for renovation. So now they work on it, but still is not completed.
So previous to 15 years ago, people were still living
Yes.
up there. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now it's currently being renovated.
Renovated. Yeah, not all of it, because it's big. Only one street is being renovated.
Okay.
But the rest is it needs to work.
I'd love to see what's upstairs. Why don't we grab something quick to eat?
Right.
Sit
Okay.
down, make our way up the stairs, and touch a little bit of history. Spider-Man, hello. Oh,
Nope. Here I am.
there are two Spider-Men,
Two Spider-Man. Competition, brother.
but he has bigger muscles. Yes. Now, isn't that messed up? Two Spider-Men within a small vicinity. Who will win? The second one looks like he's got bigger biceps. So lunch was very good. I didn't want to film it. I feel like it gets very repetitive when I'm eating the same thing every day, but I'm excited to get up to the Citadel, way up there. A comment I get quite often is like, where are the women? Well, right here in this center, I've seen a lot of women, a lot of children, a lot of families out. Look at this. A third Spider-Man. This looks like the bootleg Spider-Man. This one I'd say was in last place, out of the three. This Spider-Man looks cold. Oh, here, we can go up here. Look, Spider-Man number 3. Here we go, the World Heritage Site. So what the old man taught me is when you're walking uphill,
Okay.
you put your head down, and sort of like the gravity will pull you up.
Let me see.
Yeah, you look crazy, but it works. Look, everyone's gonna think we're crazy.
Yeah.
It works.
It works.
You don't see anything but the ground, but it works.
Yeah. So people coming here for enjoying the good view of the main center of Erbil.
Let's see the view.
Right now, at this moment, the main center they renovate the fountain. We cannot have water.
Okay, so normally water is coming up.
Yes.
Let's take a look. So these were the markets we were just wandering through. And they actually extend to the left of the clock tower.
Like 150 years ago, it's only used to be Erbil is only used to be the citadel, and maybe a few villages around a little bit far away.
Okay.
But now, in the last 100 years, Erbil has grown by much.
Yeah, quite big.
And in the last 15 years, even more. Like it has expanded by much. It's cultural house.
Look, some ancient graffiti. See an old camera.
In Erbil, there's different ethnicities living, like Kurdish, Arabic, Turkmen, and Assyrian, and Armenians. So all of this has been also lived on the citadel. So as a part of the people who's lived on the citadel, now this little house has been opened for the culture, for the heritage of this people actually. Yeah, here we have Turkmen house. In another place we have Armenians, and that and few others they work on it to open it in the future. It's during Saddam. This is during Kingdom.
Let me see the Saddam ones.
أنا هي عبد الكريم قاسم. هي عبد الكريم.
Let me check the pocket if there's any gun.
No gun?
No gun in the pocket.
No gun. He's ready. Look, he's ready.
He's ready.
Yeah.
Where's your gun?
He's ready for war or duck hunting.
Where's your gun, man? Call it Turkish delight. I don't know.
Okay.
But in our language, it's lokum. Yeah.
Now each color is a different flavor.
Different flavor, yes.
What flavor is this?
Dale طعم سياوة.
صادق هذا لقمة شقوية. هذا لقمة.
He says not very specific, but it's like sear. Can be like made from strawberry, supposedly, like yeah.
Okay, let's see.
But I don't think it tastes like.
Whoa, it's very, very heavy.
It is heavy, actually. Yeah. You put so much sugar into your blood.
I'm alive.
Thousand Iraqi dinar. Right, maybe I have small one. Wait.
Thank you. Shukran. Here's another opportunity for men to be men and punch as hard as they can. Let's take a look. It's like 2,686. This way. That's a wrap. We not only walked around the marketplace, the bazaar, we went to the citadel. We also walked a little bit around the city to show you a better look at what Erbil, am I saying it right? How do I say it? Erbil?
Erbil, yeah.
Erbil.
Yeah.
Kurdistan in Iraq looks like. This is your hometown?
Yes. This
Were
is
you
my
born
hometown.
here?
Yes, I born here. Yeah.
Right. So, you know he's the king of tourism based on his tattoo. Tattoos don't lie. If you're looking to come to this part of the world, and this is a part of the world you should come to, I'll leave all of his information at the bottom. His name is King Sardar from now on. Not just Sardar.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
King Sardar. He's actually getting more comfortable on camera as time continues.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, he is a yeah, sure. So that's it. End of the video. Like it, tell a friend, subscribe. A lot more coming from the Middle East. Good night.
Bye-bye.